Would you like to learn how to make some mouth-watering turkey gravy? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Well, can you believe it's that time again? Time just be flying, child. It's time to roast up that big old bird again. I'll put my delicious, juicy roasted turkey recipe above. You're welcome. One pro tip when making turkey gravy is to use some of the turkey fat to make the roux for your gravy. I start my bird in the middle of the night. And then I capture the turkey drippings and I put it in the fridge so that it can solidify and the fat can separate and rise to the top. And I use that turkey fat to make the roux for the gravy. But if you don't want to do that, you can use a stick of butter or you can use bacon fat. Just get you some fat up in the pan, child. Equal parts fat, equal parts flour. And by the way, your exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. So my pan is on medium heat and I let the turkey fat melt down. And I added in a little bacon fat too. Why? Because I can. And now I'm gonna flavor up that fat even more with some Better Than Bouillon turkey base. That stuff is super flavorful and it has plenty of sodium, so I won't have to add a lot more salt. After a few minutes of stirring, the fat will start to bubble and look like this, and then you know it's time to add the flour. I like to use this one drawer instead of regular flour because it does not clump up on you at all and it gives you a nice smooth gravy. But if you don't have it, flour will be just fine. Now you just want to keep stirring in the flour into the fat. You want to cook off the raw taste of the flour, stirring for about 15 minutes or so until your roux reaches like a blonde color. The darker the color of the roux, the more flavor the gravy will have, but for gravies, your roux doesn't have to be too dark. Just don't walk away and keep stirring because this stuff burns quick. Another pro tip when making turkey gravy is to use a good quality homemade turkey stock or chicken stock. I'll put my homemade chicken stock recipe above. Or you could use that junk in the box. I was just trying to help your palate. Once the roux reaches like a blonde color and has the consistency of wet sand, then it's time to add in the homemade chicken stock. Now I'm just gonna stir this up a bit and then I'm gonna add in the drippings from the roasted turkey. Not too much, just a small amount to put in some added turkey flavor. But if you don't want to add the drippings, you don't have to. It'll still be okay without it. Your palate, your business, child. But me, since I'm addicted to flavor, I'm also going to add in a bay leaf, 2 smashed garlic cloves, and some dried rosemary. As well as some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comments section. But if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and cracked black pepper. Always taste and adjust as you go. I almost forgot the sage. Now I'm gonna give that a good stir and let it come to a gentle boil. And then I'm gonna reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. As it simmers, it will thicken up. But if it's not thick enough for you, you can add a cornstarch slurry, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, and add that in to thicken it up. Or you can thicken it up with a little heavy whipping cream like I'm gonna do. That cream will give you a richer and creamier gravy. But if your gravy is too thick, you can just add a little bit more chicken stock or water. You don't have to watch the gravy as closely as you do the roux. Just give it a good stir periodically. And then once you reached your desired consistency and it sticks to your spoon like so, then it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. It's time.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This turkey gravy came out so delicious. The perfect turkey gravy recipe for the holidays. You're welcome. Well, I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.
It's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe and you make it so good. I'ma treat you like you subscribe.